One defines quality, the other defines scope. Acceptance criteria and definition of done are not the same thing, and confusing them leads to missed expectations, hidden risks, and broken trusts. Acceptance criteria defines the specific conditions for a particular backlog item. Did we meet this specific need? Did we cover this particular case? But the definition of done, that's the organizational quality baseline. It applies to everything. It's the minimum standard every increment must meet. Security, telemetry, testing, deployment readiness, regulatory compliance. It's not negotiable. It's not optional. It's not story specific. At Naked Agility, we clear up this confusion so your teams can move fast without cutting corners and your customers get reliable, consistent outcomes. Still mixing up acceptance criteria and done? Let's build clarity that scales.